I am going to repair a punctured tire on my mountain bike that uses a tubeless tire setup. I bought this product from Amazon called the STANS Dart. This device looks like a dart with a pointy tip. And what you do is you basically insert this tip into the puncture hole in the tire. And by the time I pull it out, the plug will remain on the tire and mix with the tubeless sealant. That has to be a latex base, and then it will formulate and create a plug and plug up the hole. It's the first time I'm trying this product, so I'll demonstrate how that goes and how that's going to work. Other than that, I want to mention that this is a very tiny device that can easily fit in a bike carrier bag, and it comes with two plugs. The first one's up front and the other one's just hidden back here. So I can repair two flats with this device. Here's the location of the puncture. The STANS Dart comes with a valve core remover. I'm removing the valve core from the Presta valve in order to deflate the tire and remove the air from the inner tube. I just realized I had previously reinstalled the tire backwards, which meant it was spinning in the wrong direction. Be very careful when you reinstall the tire. Make sure that the arrow printed on the sidewall is facing the right direction. Now I'm reinstalling the valve that I removed when I was using the inner tube for emergency purposes. This valve is part of the tubeless setup. Here's the actual repair part of the video. It's the easiest part of this job. Take the dart and insert it into where the hole is at. And once you have it deep enough, you can back off the applicator and the plug will stay on the tire. There you go, that's it. It's literally a 30-second job. I'm using the bottom of the dart tool to remove the core valve in order to use a syringe to inject tire sealant into the tire. Three to 5 ounces of the sealant is enough for each tire. My only complaint about tubeless tire is that once I remove the tire from the rim, I'm never able to inflate it with a hand pump. That's when I have to use an air compressor. Once the tire is inflated with the air compressor, I can then use a hand pump to fine-tune the air pressure to a setting that I prefer. Here you can see that the plug is interacting with the sealant as it's trying to seal the hole. The excess material from the plug that's protruding out of the tire does not need to be trimmed. It will eventually wear off on its own, while the seal will still be permanent. I was able to repair my punctured tire with this product, the STANS Dart. It's a very good product. First time using it, and I highly recommend it. If I didn't have to do all the extra work of removing the emergency tube from the tire from my bike, I would have been able to use this and fix that puncture on the spot within a minute. So it's a very good product. I highly recommend it. Again, this thing comes with 2 plugs. I already used one up. Here's the second one, and I've already consumed one of them. So good thing is I ordered the refills. It comes in a pack of 5 refills. So don't forget to, I'll be sure not to forget to put the refills in it so that I can always carry 2 with me on my ride. Okay, now I'm all prepped for my next ride. I do have to say though, when I first ordered, the original plug is a transparent plastic piece plug, and the refill comes in a more of a white plastic, more of a nylon type plastic. It doesn't really matter. I just noticed that they made it look a little bit better when you order the original one.